Hello children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with decimal fractions, exercise 4a, part 5. Here is our fifth question. Convert the given fraction into like fraction. So they have given a fraction. So let's have a look at the question. Yeah, here they have given in a decimal fraction, right? So this decimal fraction should be converted into like fraction, right? So what is a like fraction? Before going into the question and solving the problem, you have to understand what the question is. So they have given a decimal fraction and they're asking us to convert it into a like fraction. So first you have to know what is like fraction. Then only you can able to solve the problems easily, right? So here is the definition for a like fraction. Like fraction is nothing but a fraction with same denominator is like fraction. That means the denominator should be same. So here they have given us some decimal fraction for our understanding. This next step is for our understanding whether, let's check whether this is a like fraction or not, right? So how to check it out? Look here children, now let's make this each number, this decimal number 5.0.5 is there, so this one you have to change it into a fraction. How to change it into a fraction? By removing this point. You can just remove this point and place 10 on the denominator side, right? Because I have already said you, for fill in the blanks and everything, you can't do a long method, that is multiplying with 10 on the numerator as well as denominator. And I have taught that in a part 1, 4a part 1. I have explained how to remove the point and place the numbers in the denominator. If you have missed it, check out the description. I have given a link over there, 4a part 1, right? So in that I have taught a two method. One is for regular exams and another method is for when they have given the question in fill in the blanks or multiple choice, because you can't do a long method in fill in the blanks or choose the correct answers, right? So you just check that video. You can just remove this point and place 10 below, because after point it is only one number, right? So just place 10. So it will be 5 by 10. And similarly, look here children, after point how many numbers are there? 2 points. So just remove this point and place 100, two zeros, it becomes 100, right? Look here, after point it is having 3 numbers, so just place 3 zeros, that is 1000, and remove the point. See, I have removed the point. Even here, to remove this point, after point how many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, right? So just remove this point and place 10,000 in the denominator. See, this is a unlike term because the denominators are different. One is having 100, another is having 100, sorry, one is having 10, one is having 100, another is having 1000, and another number is having 10,000. That means, see, this is for our for your understanding children, to prove you that this number is a unlike fraction. See, this is a unlike fraction, right? So we have to make the denominators equal. Now how to make the denominators equal? So you can just take a biggest number which is having a biggest denominator, this number, right? So after point how many zeros are over here? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 4 numbers are there, sorry, not 4 zeros children, 4 numbers are there, right? So here it is having only 3, just place one more zero over here, like this. This both numbers are one and the same, value is same. If you place 0 over here, the value is same, right? We didn't made any changes in the value, right? So we are just making the denominators equal. So here also it is having only two numbers, So place another two numbers over, two numbers, that is 0, two zeros. Here after point you're having only one number. So just place three zeros to make it 4. Now look here, 1, 2, 3, 4. After point it is having four numbers, and even here after point it is having 4 numbers. For all the numbers, just have a check. Every number, decimal number, is having 4 numbers after the point. So this is our answer. For here, for your understanding, let's make the verification. How to verify whether it is like term or not, sorry, like fraction or not. Similarly, as I said you, to remove this point, after point you are having 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, right? So just put 4 zeros in the denominator. Similarly, I have written for all this 4 fractions. So this is what I have got it. See the decimal, so sorry, denominators are equal now. So we have changed it into a like fraction successfully. I hope it's clear. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Surely I will try to help you out. Here is our second question. Even here, let's understand what is a like fraction. It should have the same denominator. For your understanding, I am going to check whether this is in a like fraction or unlike fraction. So I have just removed this point and placed two zeros, because after the point there are two numbers, right? So just place 100. Even here after point it is having four numbers. So just write four zeros. So it becomes 10,000. Similarly, I have done for the other two decimal fractions. Look here, since the denominators are different, it is unlike fractions. It is unlike fractions. So we have to change this into a like fraction. How to change it? From this, which uh, decimal fraction is having more highest denominator? This number, that is 0.03569. So how many numbers does it have after the point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So here it is having only 3, only 1, sorry, only 1. So place another 4 zeros next to this 3. And similarly here 1, 2, 3, only 4 is there. So place 1 0 over here after this 6. Here also you have to place 3 zeros because it is having only 2, but you need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So place, now you have made all are having 5 numbers after the point, right? So this is our answer. For your understanding, let's do the verification. How to verify whether this is a like fraction or not? Just remove the point, and after point how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So just place 5 numbers below this in the denominator. Similarly, I have done for all the decimal fractions, and I have got the like terms. So our answer is correct, and we have uh, changed the given decimal fraction into a like fraction. Look here children, all the denominators are also equal without changing the value. See, on the numerator it is same, right? But I have made the change in the denominator. All numbers are equal over here. Over here it was different, right? I hope it's very clear now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell button. Check the description box for problems on decimal fractions. Thank you.